Support tickets come in as long, free text messages, messy, inconsistent, and hard to prioritize. But with AI and Google Sheets, you can instantly turn them into a structured product backlog with clear fields like issue type, severity, and priority. No more manual sorting. To follow along, make sure you've installed the AI for Sheets add-on. I've put the link in the description. Here's the sheet setup. I've created these fields as headers. Also, remember your text data can come from anywhere, emails, forms, or customer chats. I've pasted a few raw support tickets into my sheet here. Go to Extensions, AI for Sheets, Full Sheet Analysis, Act Mode. Let's start with the first ticket. I'll copy it into the AI chat and ask it to fill the table. The AI correctly detected Windows 11 as the OS, version 2.4.0, tagged it as a bug, priority high, and sentiment negative. No manual entry required. Now let's say I want priority to show as a number instead of text. I just type into the chat, priority must be a number. The AI instantly updates the column, and now priority is numeric across the sheet. Much easier to scan. Next, I'll try another message. This one mentions both Windows 11 and iOS 17. The AI fills in both OS values correctly, keeps priority as a number, and marks the issue type as a feature request. Perfect. And now, instead of testing one by one, I'll paste the remaining 6 messages into the chat all at once. The AI instantly updates the sheet with 6 new structured entries, complete with issue type, severity, and tags. You can keep adding new free text tickets into Act Mode anytime. Just paste the text, and AI updates the table automatically. It works for feature requests, bugs, or performance issues. In just seconds, we've turned messy support tickets into a structured product backlog. Try this out in your own sheets. Link to install is in the description. And if you found this helpful, like this video and comment. What's the hardest part of handling support tickets in your team?